The sacred life story of His Eminence the Ninth Gyang Teng Tulku Rinpoche. Hello everyone. Tashi Dalek, and welcome. With deep faith and respect, today I would like to share a brief account of the sacred life of His Eminence the Ninth Gyang Teng Tulku Rinpoche, Kunzang Rigzin Pema Namgyal, one of the most revered Buddhist masters of the Pelling tradition. His Eminence was born in 1955 in Tromsa, Bhutan, to his father Shering Dorji and his mother Shering Palmo. At the time of his birth, many extraordinary and auspicious signs appeared, including beautiful rainbows and the blooming of flowers. These were regarded by many as indications of the birth of an exceptional spiritual master. Even before his birth, his mother experienced many auspicious dreams and miraculous signs. It is also said that the local lake deity revealed the coming of the new Gyang Teng Tulku through a prophetic song, further confirming his enlightened incarnation. From a very young age, His Eminence displayed remarkable wisdom, deep compassion, and a natural devotion to the Buddha Dharma. He pursued his monastic education at Tromsa Monastic, Tango Buddhist College, and later at the Nyingma Institute in India. Under the guidance of many of the greatest Buddhist masters of the time, he received profound teachings, empowerments, transmissions, and essential instructions. After completing his studies, His Eminence entered the traditional 3-year meditation retreat at Gyang Teng Kunzang Choling, dedicating himself wholeheartedly to intensive spiritual practice. Through his unwavering diligence, he accomplished many signs of spiritual realization. In 1985, His Eminence established the Gyang Teng Shedra and Meditation Center to preserve, uphold, and spread the precious teachings of the Buddha. Since then, he has founded and supported numerous monasteries, nunneries, Buddhist schools, and retreat centers in Bhutan and abroad, ensuring that the sacred Pelling tradition continues to flourish for future generations. The life of His Eminence is a shining example of wisdom, compassion, humility, and selfless service. His tireless activities have benefited countless beings and continue to inspire people around the world to study, practice, and preserve the Buddha Dharma. Finally, with sincere devotion, we offer our heartfelt prayers. May His Eminence the Ninth Gyang Teng Tulku Rinpoche enjoy a long, healthy, and stable life for the benefit of all sentient beings. May all his noble aspirations and enlightened activities be perfectly accomplished. May the Buddha Dharma flourish in every direction, and may all beings enjoy lasting peace, happiness, and liberation. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video meaningful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the preservation and sharing of the precious Buddha Dharma. May all beings be happy.